Hi, and welcome. I am Dr. Duque, and this is my Practice Innovation Medical Center. Hopefully, this will be the first of many educational videos in the next weeks to come. I'd like to talk about bioidentical hormone replacement therapy, medical weight loss, and peptide therapy. Now, one of the first very important beginning points of this, talk series is why should your doctor be certified in advanced bioidentical hormone replacement therapy? Well, bioidentical hormone replacement therapy, BHRT for short, is a form of hormone replacement therapy that uses hormones that are chemically identical to the hormones produced by the human body. BHRT is becoming increasingly popular as an alternative to traditional hormone replacement therapy, and it is important that doctors administering BHRT are properly trained and certified. A couple of key important points. Expertise in BHRT. By becoming certified in bioidentical hormone replacement therapy, doctors have the knowledge and expertise to provide the best possible treatment for their patients. They have a detailed understanding of the different types of bioidentical hormones available and how they interact with the body. Safety and effectiveness. BHRT requires a specific and delicate balance of hormones to be effective and safe. A certified practitioner has the knowledge and skills to ensure that patients receive the correct hormone replacement therapy and to monitor and adjust the treatment as needed. Tailored treatments. BHRT is a highly individualized form of treatment. One does not fit all, and certified practitioners are trained to work with patients to create tailored treatment plans that best meet their specific needs. Knowledge of side effects. Although minimal, certified practitioners have a deep understanding of the potential side effects of BHRT and are able to recognize and manage them effectively. Compliance with regulations. Certified practitioners are knowledgeable about regulations surrounding BHRT and are able to ensure that their treatment plans are compliant with these regulations. Professionalism. Being certified in bioidentical hormone replacement therapy demonstrates a commitment to ongoing education and professional development. And it is an indication that the practitioner is dedicated to providing the highest quality of care for their patients. Certification in advanced bioidentical hormone replacement therapy is essential for doctors who wish to provide this form of hormone replacement therapy, and it ensures that the practitioner has the knowledge, the skills, and the expertise to provide safe, effective, and individualized treatment for their patients. Thank you very much.